Tá clár seo muoinethe ón údras Chréalacán na hÉireann.
All we want is a place to teach, 'cause it ain't ideal in these pre-5, and I don't think you and your ministers would set your office up right here.
Is me sé ío Martin tá me go brunseán éalscoil bhar le fiche bliana nuas, agus fríde náma sin tháinig me foies agus fóbrid na scála, agus an tionchar a bhí an scáil phobal na Gaeilge an seo a gabra mar a clia seart. Níl an seo a cléir bag girid le blúrinní bag a ális agus scéaltaí na blianta bhí nuair bhí mid loníos na bothain. Suas go dtí an leniu agus maid nar hí chéhan seos in ar scáil úr.
Is mis Seán an Danéile, Sás chundí an clár mé agus tá mé obair an seo mar príomhaide bun 1996. Bunaíodh an scoil in 1996, hosnaí mar le 26 páiste agus ceapam níos ag airc siar go raibh ocras mór ar daoine sa counter i ggur ibar hain an Gaeilge agus an cultúr. Agus ibar a dó bhí daoine ag éirí taithí difriúil, bhí go leor daoine sa counter seo a raibh sois taithí dúilteach go leor ar scoil, bhí corporate punishment i bhaim agus ní aici go leor daoine go dtí chláiste ach bhí daoine ag éirí go mbeidh taithí difriúil ag a páistí ar scoil. So meas an gcuireadh sin tábhachtach in éanaach leis an cultúr. Tá meas mór ag maintear na háite an seo ar an cultúr Gaelach, an imáint, an ceol agus an teanga, agus fuair deis sinne eola mi gceartnar bunaíodh an scoil. Fecim go leor difriachtaí ó 23 bliain ó hin ar thosaimid. Nuair a thosaimid an seo, dearann gur freastal háirtear 5 fan géad de tuismitheoirí an seo ar an choláiste tríú leibhéal. Ach inis na páistí is sinne a bhí gin an seo beidh siad feartar 26 tá háart ar leid 5 fan géad díobh nó níos mó ag freastal ar an choláiste tríú leibhéal. So is athú ionach mór é sin. I mar tharm níos tábhachtaí ná sin ná tá féin munaí an glúin nniu ag fáú san is níos fearr ná bhí ag na tuismitheoirí. Agus an bailach is cuma má agan páiste ag séide agus tá si géirí tréad a bheith acu nó bheith obair mar gúrigar nó péród nó má tá si géirí go le roigadtí pláis na trinóide agus laisí dhéanamh cofadas tá féin munaí acu agus measam go dogan an cultúr. Má tá páistí bródú as tú féin, as a clan, as a pobl, as a teanga.
Arwah, t'achètes tes rap en dinars. J'ai dit non, je veux des dollars car on m'appelle Solar. Il m'a fait bouge de là. Bouge de là. Bouge de là.
Yeah, well, the honey we rash could the conconi the Canamaria talk just trust Black Horse Avenue. August like if we went to come leis an GA club on short you go like if me mar if you want or if me Molly Munna the me fós gaffele Finbars but agus vi me an gosha a vi me marúna ar an gosha an seo agus dúirt an clublum an megmin sauce in Nínra a bhanú so nor a hánig an nút clubhouse nua the rinne so a sin then an blian in éag for mar an scoil like for my cat at school.
Connie me se fógus an Newton greibh si glór núntar an scoil nniu a hosnú in mí meheh net nó sé. So ag an pointe sin dagra géile sí lungáin agus muintear cumanú le scoil na fionbarda cruinniú poblí agus bhí na daltaí acu hena féin ag or céad bliain den scoil agus bhí siad in níag cúpla mí a chaithh san éonra. So nar hánig mission sin chur mar tús leis an scoil ón céad lá the man for an bailach a chas mé le éidir ná ag an aglah bhí aglah daine gom chun an postáil, but bhí taithí agam sa cumá camis a gáh lína mé first an 8 ag obair an Gaelscoil ar bóthar na bháil, agus ag an am sin bhí na triblódaí ar siúil, agus ní bhór na scoileann na húsan sin éon aitheanta son stáit, so ní bhór mid ach nó go punt sa seachtain, agus formar go leir triblód ó na Saidiúí agus an stát húsan sin. So bhí taithí maithe gom ag an am sin. Agus bhí mé níag obair an Darndale agus Ballymun ar feadh roinn blianta, agus ceapan gur hiag mé cad a bhí ag tastáil ó daoine an counter mar seo.
Like, níl sé éasca rud nua a dhéanamh éon áit, but I Gabra, da bhí an simig Winter Carver Fashion, bhí an club go hinnta go fád, like, da bhí gach rud an seo, ach go bháin, like, da bhí ort ceara áil, agus cúmar tíban a títhe chuir rudí seach ins na dóirse ag éir raibh simig daoine páise chuir Gaelscoil da me a lehéad ann. So the former, like, anna taíocht. So nor a husníimar, like, fi sé go bra fi na daine anna bha ach formar an éanra, formar na seomraí réibhéinte ach ní rámar an sais fórnamh buanna áil hí antrablód lei sin, hí mé fithe bliain. Agus a bhí tíseach an seo like it in our counter agus gachrod ach ní formar aon rud. Bhí sé really jacker.
Bhí Nicky Countin in Bonahori sa counter an seo den scoil. Tá a lá an funnehigh Nicky agus nuair a tháinig sé amach as an prisún. Bhí sé prisún ag or Gem Lane nó mar sin I Portlaoise. Nuair a tháinig sé amach léim sé isteach an obair phobal an seo, agus rinne sé annach chuid obair ar son an cumlú glascuil, ar son an factus an ag drugaí, ar son an teanga, agus tá sé fósa do a roiid mar sin. Tá pásantach fi leithe agus I think malin sé daoine sa counter ó héamh an obair. Tá pásantach leidir aige go má agus ibríonn sin dó agus ibríonn sé den counter.
From a language point of view, like all communities probably in Dublin and probably from a working class, there's always a platform in every area that loves Irish for whatever reason. It's probably because of it's a traditional thing in the concept of people's minds, and that platform was always here in Cabra. When Finbar's got the land there, they said, right, well, one of the aims of GAA is to promote the language, so what do we do? So we said, well, we have a good community here. So we ran these outlaw days, you know, shocking the gay again. People would like speak a bit of Irish. So then it's like everything else. A jigsaw effect had to take place. Some people in the club said, right, well, we need to promote the language, but how are we going to get the logistics to do that? How are we going to do that? And out of the blue, there was one woman whose family is one of the founder members of Finbar's going back to 1945, Eilish O'Longan, Eilish Brady. And she moved into Cabra on the fringes in Dunard. So she was back near enough in the community for a few years. Now, she lived in Ballymun, and she was one of the main instigators of An Seachta Lake in the 1970s, with a number of people out there who felt that the Irish language had moved away from the ordinary people in the city, and felt that why should the working class people be able to speak their own language? If you're going to regenerate Irish, the only way you're going to do it is in the communities, in the biggest areas, in the biggest population areas of the cities. But they established a Gael school in Ballymun in the flats. So we had the person who had the logistics, who had the Irish, and was a gatherer. We call them gatherers. She gathered people, she's a good woman, and she got people around her. And then within the club, there was a number of people who wanted this. The idea was that the club had room. Ailey says, yeah, I'm willing to take the project on with a number of other people. And then the Gael school started in the club in 1995. And you had Eileen Farrell, another woman that was with her. That followed on then. The next thing was to get a prefab. We hadn't got this size where the school is now. This was a park. And basically what happened then was, over the years, because the thing got so popular, they were overwhelmed with the amount of people who wanted to send their kids to Irish. The problem we had here was to get the school built. For some reason, and I don't know if it's the same with all Gael schools, there's always a battle to get it established in areas like this, from all different reasons. And even within the Irish diaspora, we with people from Cabra want to be speaking Irish. You know what I mean? It's like an elitist thing. But we wanted to get the language anchored in the community. We wanted to survive it into the next millennium. If we wanted to keep it going, we wanted to make a living language, not just tokenism. It had to go into the people where we lived, who would have been sort of wanted to go that way, but have been not anglicised, but have been sort of conditioned. And we done that. It would be better than putting 3 million into Connemara, because this is the population growth. And that's where the start came. The committee was set up. Shane McGill, Dorothy McGill, Eugene McCartan, Fergal O'Cullen, who died there last year, and a load of other people who my own wife. And what they done was they got together and they gave the logistic support. They were very good at administration. And then the club, now you had to battle the club as well, and in fairness to the club, the committee was very genuous. And they gave a prefab, and then another prefab, and then another prefab. Eventually, all this part here was full of prefabs. And then the battle started.
My name is Paul O'Farrell. I'm a resident of the area of Cabra. I'm a former board member of Gaelic Kilbarra, and I was on the Parents Committee, Fundraising Committee. I can't remember the year, it was a long time ago. There was one prefab, that's how far back it was, so it was probably the second year after school had started. And I certainly never had the option of going to a Gaelic school, or it wasn't an option. So when I had my own children, it kind of reflected our cultural ethos, and we thought there was a bit of a Celtic revival in the area at the time, but it suited our the family ethos that we wanted to educate our children through Irish and give them a sense of identity and culture. There was a huge change. The building where we are was an old Dublin City Council playground, and the GAA had taken control of it, or done a deal and taken it over, and they developed the GAA club, and then the prefab for the school appeared, and I came down to do Irish classes and I started taking an interest. But when I heard that the school was growing and developing, it was an outlet, and I had one child, I think, we had one baby and one child, but it was our first choice for Gaelic school, or for education, for school, so that was great. And in fairness, Cabra is well served with schools. There was 5 or 6 other options, but this was the only one offering a national ethos. On a personal and practical level, none whatsoever. We were fortunate enough, we put her name down and her name down, and she got in quite quickly. And from day one, there was a huge sense of community in the school, but you were very aware of the battles that they were fighting. There was no facilities, there was no money, there was an ongoing battle even to develop at any stage. So we got involved in everything, from developing parents' committees, developing the board, trying to work with the Department of Education and trying to build the school itself. And, while people talk about how bad the facilities were, the ethos in the school, and with respect under the stewardship of Sean, I think there was Sean and Fiona were the 2 teachers. Sean just was so confident, and he had this vision, and everybody just got behind him. And I don't know if it would have been or would have happened without Sean. His vision and his experience was the driving force behind it. Huge catalyst for any development. So we're very lucky to have him.
I'm Trish Coolahan, and I'm from Cabra West, and I've lived here all my life. I won't say how many years. I didn't have any Irish really, to be honest, just primary Irish. Then when I went to secondary, I just couldn't grasp it at the time. I could only get as far as 10, to be honest with you, in the numbers and that. But Cabra would have been a great place to grow up in. It was just hundreds of kids on the streets, and all we did was play with ropes and hopscotch and all that. And the hurling was always there, and the GAA club was always there. So most of the kids were into the Gaelic. It's just a great place to live. I just always felt that I lost out, that I didn't have my own language, and I wanted my kids to have it. I just felt it was very important for them to have it. It was nothing to do with politics or anything like that. It was always just, I would have loved to have it myself. And I said, right, if I have kids, definitely I would like them to have it. And at the time, there was no school around here. There was one in Ballymun, and my plan was to send my firstborn out there. Then I got word that there was a play school here, and I popped down and asked could she go there. So that was the start from there, really. So we were delighted with it. It was more like there was no primary school to go to here, but we all got together and decided to get it together. And it was kind of a gamble because you didn't know it was going to work out. But because she was only 4, you just said, right, if it doesn't work out the following year, she'll just go somewhere else. And that was really it.
So what happened then was the GAA club sort of started looking to develop themselves. They had a place up there at the Corporation Ventry Park, and they had a lease on it. But the council wanted to build houses, so this playground here was the original playground, goes back to 1937. This was put here when the scheme was open for, so there was thousands of kids, and they had to get them off the streets, so the Civic Trust put these playgrounds in along with the council. So the kids would go regular, so they'd have the place open in the morning from 10 to 12, and then they'd open it and after dinner to 5. And they'd man it, so all the kids used to come here. It's in the middle of the 2 schemes, in Cabra West and Cabra East. And it had gone through a phase where it had done its job in the 40s, 50s and 60s, but the 70s started getting a bit rough. And there was a lot of gangs around, the place sort of went down, the council built a community place in here, and it didn't kick off. So it became a focal point of antisocial. The council wanted to do something with it. So the officials in the council had the foresight to say to Finbar, we'll give you part of the playground if you give us that land, we'll build the houses, and we'll give you a certain amount of money to move, and we'll give you a 99-year lease. So the club, which is a small nucleus, got together and said, yeah, we will do that. And the club would be seen morely as a Cabra West, so it was coming down here, even though there was players from down here. So from a club's point of view, we were expanding into 2 areas, into Cabra. And that was the concept of the change I would see in the community, because today it's the centre of the whole community. Food place on a Sunday it's an old community, so they come in and get their dinners. It's a social outlet for people, older people who go in for a drink. It's opened every day, and then there's bowls clubs. There's all sorts of stuff active in it, even though it's a GAA club.
I met my friend. Well, she wasn't my friend then. She is now, in the Rotunda, and we were talking about going to classes and stuff like that, and she said she goes to Irish classes and was in the GAA club. So I went down that night as well, and then it ended up, we're lifelong friends now. 21 years now this year, yeah. So we didn't know each other at all before this, but she loves the Irish and I love the Irish, and we went to the classes for years and years together, and we just became great friends. We made a circle of friends. There's about 5 of us that are really tight, and we had great years here together as parents. It was brilliant.
And I don't think you and your ministers would set your office up right here. Can't you see what you're doing? You're stopping the growth of our country. We've campaigned, marched and fundraised. Now it's time you helped us for a change. And we only got one thing to say.
Tá clár seo muoinethe ón údras Crealasán na hÉireann.
Fáilte ra seahannaine, an san cléir seo be muid gárg siar na cabní maithí faoi drástead na scoile an seo in éal scolbhara.
Nuair a tháinig mis an seo bhí háirtear 5 fangéad na tuismitheoirí tar éis freastal ar an chláiste. Anois de háirtear 5 fangéad den an iardaltaí an seo ag freastal ar an chláiste. Tá go leor iardaltaí is go mar múntóirí agus tá cúpla díobh go mar múntóirí bonscoile. Agus tá sin go hinnta go bhfuil páistí an counter seo gan cúlra i dachas nó gaeilgear bes a bhaile níos tá sé go mar an gaelscoilena. Ach níos tátaí beidir ná sin ná tá féin muí na páistí an seo. Tá sé níos fearr ná mar a bhí ag na tuismitheoirí sin ma dearc go féin. Is cuma má ágan páiste scoil ag 5 de 6 agus tá sé géirí bheith in a plumber nó in a doctor nó péróid go fadas tá féin muí acu. Agus measan féin má tá míad na instalas na páistí bheith bród a lasú féin as a chlán, as a counter, agus an sin as a cultúr agus a teanga agus an tír. Cílíonn sé sin go méid féin muí maithú. agus go méid measacú chumá ar cultúirí agus ar daoine eile.
Shannon ní Leintig is anam dom tá mé ag obair in Gael go bhara mar SNA freistal mé anseo.
Chusig mé in gaví lis a dó ceapal. And then who may right quick clash where sus in Cabra cuma. Ní raibh Gael go láidir in Cabra ach tá sé I bhfad níos fear inis. nó raibh me sé ar scóil bhí mo cardúir. Bhín tus ag labhairt Gael go níl fiú is a go chun is Gael go a labhairt. Harna blianta inis like is bralam an Gael go bhrálam a bheith an labhairt Gael go agus tá sé a bhfad níos fear inis. Well, thuí me sé go dtí an níonra. Ní raibh is a gom scóil aspéirle, so it was just gannáró dumsa ag dul chuig Gael scóil ach mo cardúir like ní raibh clú acu conas a raibh mo an a dhéanamh. Bhí siad go léir ag an déanaan tusa mata as Gaelge, an déanaan tusa béirle as Gaelge, like ceisna mar siad ag gánaí. Conas a déanaan tú seo as Gaelge. But it was go híntaach dún an tá mó macanis ag freastal sa níomra.
Drainig Gilligan is anam dom is as cabrach mé agus is ciúntá réitan is speisialta mé I Gael go bhara inis. Mar dalta seach nó 8 bliain ó hin agus bhí is bralam an scoil ach is difriúd mór le an fórgnamh nua nuair a mine anseo mar páisiúla. Bhí scoil iontaach bhí sé go iontaach tá na cuimhna canatá a gomta siad just ag gramhar bhí me gaiire orthú antá mar fad. Bhí sé go donna ins na prefabs ach inis ag fécinn na páistí sa látá nniu ananta sé go thomlan ahrathe. Le tú ag dulisteach chuig an scoil agus bhí tú fórgach lá agus bhí na ranganí mar an ggéine le bhí a gcónaí na daoine go hálan ach inis le na seirbhísí atá acu tá siad a bhfad níos fear. Ní raibh sé de an ná le go leir den mó cardún níor freistal siad ar Gael scoil fhí and then bhí siad a gcónaí a cóceisna nó raibh scrúdú ag teachsús le cad é seo agus cad é seo. Tá sé ag fas go háirithe inis ag fécinn siir tá sé mar le fiú na rang in ní raibhach 8 nó ní duine ag I mó rang agus inis mé gobar I rang agus tá séisiir is fithe ceapam sa rang agus tá na rangnaí ag fáil níos mó agus na daoine les muid le de an ná nuair fecha mé tá siad go léir ag leabhart as Gael go lumsa I nó beidir go athraíonn siad nuair siúlam tréad ach. Is brala le na ranganna tá siad just do creite na is bralam na ranganna tá na ranganna just agus na scála na riomhre an leabhar linn an Guardian tá siad go léir rudí nach raibh againn nuair raibh sa prefabs fiú an hala tá siad go híntaach don na fáistí. Bei an pitch go híntaach nuair fáin sé déanta cumá mar na cuimhna canatá I mhuine ag fástúos na le leinta a raibh min amach ar an pitch ag imirt pell nó amán agus gmógiacht. Lena múntáirí is cacúir le bhí si go híntaach ach an scoil nua tá sé a bhfad níos fear ag an braid le cad a bhí ann ana fin. Ceapan go bhfuil an Gaeilge chun fás I cabrach go réin nós mar an scoil mar le ceapam bhí go láirtis mothirí ní raibh siad a géirí a bhaistí dul chuig scoil a prefabs ach le an fergnamh nua fiú an níomra le tá na daoine na méid páistí atá ag freastal len tá si ag fáil níos mó agus níos mó gach bliain so I'd say go bhfuil sé chun fás so thank you.
Chuig páistí Mary Lou MacDonald an tríd an scoil an seo agus thug Mary Lou takeíocht dún an seo. Ní acmid anna cuid dí mar bín si gobar sa dál an cuid is mó an am agus ní bhín an amací, but thug Mary Lou a lá takeíocht agus tá sé cóní sa counter agus an clán an bonteach leis an club an seo, so tá si mar cuid lárnacht an phobal an seo. Now ará sin tá na polatóir eile sa counter, tá aithna gwein rahan polatóir sa counter de bhar an factus a bhí ar siúla gwein a bhar fithe blian chun scóil búna áil. Agus beagnach ahan den a thug si takeíocht Madún Pascal Donoghue Fine Gael, Jim Mitchell, Tony Gregory ar fuair bás roiin blianta hin, dardig session ceist an fergan a bún in 19 go hocht. But a polatóirí lig Joe Costello agus iad thug si lán takeíocht. Agus bhí siad sin thug si takeíocht fasta don factus a bhí in ggur manscoil. Tá manscoil sa counter an is a dás as an scoil seo, so tá midna an bhródú bhfuil níonra, bonscoil agus manscoil ag fáimna trí bhain na Gaeilge sa counter seo. So tá ná an Gaeilge áil de fáiste ón clíomhán go dtíon chláiste.
Well, I have one now, but my elder daughter is now in Scoil Catriona. She's just finished second year, but she did all of her primary school years in the prefabs, like generations of kids in Cabra. And I have one other child, and he's in Rangacuig, like Shigdul go Rangashay. He'll be into 6th class in September, so he got 2 school years here, which is great. And this is just a brilliant day because so many people for such a long time worked so hard, and it's a big achievement for the parents. I wanted them to have their education, and particularly their primary education, Lán Gaelach. I wanted them to have an opportunity that I didn't have myself, which was to have their education through Irish. And it's not just for the language, it was for the culture, for the sport, for the music, but also for the values in schools like this. It's very child-centred, it's very much about the child's identity, just the ethos. The conditions were terrible, absolutely awful, but the standard of the school, the community nature of the school made it extremely attractive. So I'm no different from other parents who made that decision to send their kids to this school. You send your children to the school for the excellence of the education, despite the fact that they were in prefab buildings.
We must get closer to but basically, the whole thing was the population would have been all right in the sense of the community. Cabra was very proud of it, funny enough, even from whatever angle they came from. It was more of administration, it was more with the education department. There seemed to be a mindset of everything you had to do, whether it was leases, whether it was stuff. Now, and of course you're dealing with people who would have a good skill and knowledge of all that, but it was like pulling teeth. There seemed to be, instead of encouraging, so I can't understand, when you have a light like that, you try to make it, a good light like that, you try and make it bigger. You try to encourage it, especially if you want the Irish language to grow. But these people, for some reason, bureaucratic or through mentality, and there was a bit of a political element to it as well, because Sinn Féin got very strong in the area, and there was, for some reason, the politics of it sort of kicked into it a bit, and it sort of, in the end, it was the kids were suffering, the language was suffering, because loads of other things were stopping. You know what I mean? And instead of these people engaging with it, taking it in, and giving it support. You know, like 20 years it took to build this place.
And the Corridor School knew who some board is educated together. Like, ní aon rud a gunna na scoilna sin, but ní dóilm go raibh aine Cabra a géirí an scoil sin. Just tháinig sé, just láháin, like the Hulma go raibh tú ag tógáil scoil nua, agus bhí muoine ag tríad có fada sin agus fós ag an am sin ní raibh scoil bún agan. You know, so ní hiigim catá I gceis leis na daoine tá ag gceannas, like tá si de rá slíomh bháin. Gaeilge an céad seanga sa tír agus ba cóga méid gach den ag géirí an Gaeilge, but níl an taithíocht sin ann or a taintú ag géirí. It's kind of, well, it's the seachtaithe the ceap mis go raibh sais an rud a bhí ann you're in a box and you say fannacht tú sa busca sin ní cead go éirí as. You know, cé hí na daoine sin ag glóraigh scoil le an Gael mar a dort Farlam. You can't talk English, you can't speak English in Ballymore, you're looking for Irish. Sin an fear ón Ryan at achas a dort sin am na visa core literature shock. You know, agus bhí an size come daine free ruddy mar sin, like, you know, ní hiig mé an sin agus ní hiig mé go fáil céim fá an raibh an size rud sin ann. And it's need trick hor, but call come back to an on with the eye.
There wasn't really any difficulties. There was one prefab, there was one teacher, and we just mucked in. We done the cleaning, we done the reading when they needed reading, extra reading, and little games and stuff like that. And I had a brand new baby. He was a premature baby, and I came down here with him in a buggy and came in and cleaned after school. And my friend done it the other day. You know, that way there was no one, we had nothing, but we all had each other, and we just supported each other in it, and it was just brilliant. You know, it was very tight. Like it's like a little family, if you know what I mean. And then the classes, the one teacher done the classes at night time, and he kind of taught us what he was teaching the kids all that week, so we could understand it then when we were doing the homework, which was brilliant. Do you know what I mean? So you're going around the park talking about the leaves falling on the ground, which you never could have done before in Irish, which was like, he was after being doing it with them in school, then done it with us, and I was like, this is great. So it just instilled it into you, and then he gave us nursery rhymes and stuff on CDs and played them at home for the kids, and just took it from there, and he just enjoyed it. He just started to enjoy it more and more. There's a lot of social stuff goes on, a lot of cultural stuff. There's always something going on through the Irish. And all through the years, there's always been like Céilís and quizzes, and you know, like there's always something going on. It's just brilliant, you know. Like we used to do bingo, which was so funny because I never played bingo in my life. And this man used to come in the mornings and we'd play bingo in Irish, obviously. And that's how I learned how to count to 100. I couldn't go any further than 10 before that. By playing the game, like it was concrete, so you're like, oh yeah. So that's how we learned. And then we used to do the Céilí dancing. Munta Sean used to get people in all the time, different people in, to try and give us a bit of culture, because that's what we wanted. We were hungry for it, like, you know, so he gave it to us and we love it. It's great.
Is me sé ífaní gonala. Bhí mé dalta i glas go bhara ó gábhíle go dtí gábhíocht. Ón am go bhar me ar scóil bhí me sna príomhs an don 8 flin. Bhí am ionach agan agus bhí like taithí anháil gom an scóil, but ní raibh ná sin go mána crúbe like luck agus francach agus leaks agus rudí mar sin, but níor really cur sé isteach ar na páistí a take mór like bhí bhí am maithagan. Well, is é Seán mo iad an príomhide, so bhí taithí difriúil agam le daoine eile, mar bhí glas go bhar chuid do mo héil ar fád fiúnar ag mé glas go bhagurs fiú solar tusig mé. So thusigh glas go bhar 1996 an bblion a rugga mé, and then tu sé beag nach frithe danis agus níor tá fergan a bhagan leis, so thug sé mó héil ar fád chun an fergan a bheith agan, so is échtíntacha. Dis déile glas go bhar do gach páiste just like a dul amach ar agódí, mar ní raibh aon ahrú ag tarlú a fear na blianta, so you know, uair sa blion nó cúpla uair sa blion bhí me a dul chuig an like a lárna catharach nó bhíonar in literature scríomh chuig ar teachtaí dála, you know, bhí sé just cuid den saola glas go bhar go raibh ar an trid a gcóir ferganmh, but I don't know. Like it's tahi kind of unique agus cur sé leis an rud go léir. Bhí spirit ionach agan sa scóil agus atmosfér ionach, mar bhí ar you know obair le céile agus bé ar an fern céine agus just turn sin, I don't know, thugann sin taobh difriúil donna páistí agus donna múntúirí agus donna tuismothirí cumáide. No, but rud dearfach é like seachas. You know, níor fergan agan, but hí na rudí eile agan go léir. Das mé Susan Bowher sa báir na huva, so ní as cabrach mé. But like cá mé an am a cabrach is tá an card agam agus. Tá mé just tíar críicna an old school so drasta mé DCU in mé céim sa dlí. Tu sé grand brit mé like fága go bhar def lína inis, but well hín sé nach fágan tú riamh mar gacha ó hagan tú ras, you know, being fáilte mór tuairt it, and yeah, is áta ionta to mé an braudíal gra mé páirteach den rud go léir. Law, so I just finished a degree in law in DCU. My an braudíal las a bheith airnach agus bheith gaelach, so capan goil gaelga lárnach de sin, tá sé bránach nach goil an bhelga ráláidir faoi láthair, but ceapan go denní mé mo chuid chun é command beabhain. An scoil nua tá sé duchreite ní raibh mé an rud mar seúr as eile gríomh, like tá sé go hálan. Níl me a dahí well níl me sé a dahí go fáil fós tag mé seach and I'm like, oh, cábhfuil gachrúd. But no, sé ionach go bhfuil, you know, an na páistí a bhfuil agus go baranis an freign of bheith acu agus an just rud ag an níos dear faoi am agus go bhar a chuir leis. Yeah, tu sé go hálan.
So is mi se Roisin I Hickey, is múntir mi se an seo sa scoil, tá mé ag múna an seo le bliantanis. Tá mé ag múna na bunrangana, so tá nína an bheaga agam sa mbliana. Is as cirídam. Tá mé an seo pósta I bailíocht lia le hart 2 bliananis, so tá mé an seo an méid sin agus níos mó, so bhog mé an seo I 2007. So is bralam an scoil, agus is bralam an áit timpeall an cheantar. Is so good just tá sé Jackar creadún scoil sé go inis. Tá sé códifriúil fiúháin bíimiid ag góirí mar tá orcuid éadaí go thomláin ahrathe ó na seanléhananta hartar 3 bliain ó hen bhí stoca bhí mar ré chun dul go dtíana Antarctic mar bhí fithe gansaí mór míltach teomh agam agus búta sí agus ugbúts agus gachar a goin, but im léana táid bhí ar an gachar d'athrú agus just tá gan á éadaí ar inis tá sé bhad níos compórdach. Tá sé cóte agus co-compórtachtas na bháistí. Is gá job omláin difriúil é rilí bheith ag múna is scoil mar a bhí sé agus an scoil mar atá sé inis. Tá gachrad a gcoin inis im léana actually just le caiicí sin sin bhí tuismóirí istí goin le haig an blion sicuin agus bhí a ráleo, you know, tá gachrad ionach inis. Tá táid ag súil go mór leis an bliana tá mach roin mar tá gach achfan a gain agus táid réig dóibh agus beag board agus gachrad acu ag na páistí gachrad blianta hin bhí mar ag súil go déach éon tarlú, ó blion go blion déach gomach an, you know, an díon ag tiismisteach agus ní bheith go cén seomar na med tú, ní bheith go an raibh golóir board gona bheith ag na páistí, seans go bheith muidir grindta den éigen eile. Tá sé ní an bheag inis, but blianta hin bhí mé takeí ag fálam as, so bhí ar an rúm ar le, seomar ar le a bheith again, but is anmhinnic a bheocht tú caite I leithras nó áit éigen eile éon áit, you know, beidir if ag an príomhéidir nó áit éigen mar ní bheocht golóir spás, beidir gomach domáiste déanta prífab agus just bhí ort just dollará ní raibh éon ráha, so bhí sé an Jackar agus tá sé ionach inis, tá mis ri ag buint tanmh as an fargan of nua.
Tá an chlár seo muoinethe ón údras Craolacháin na hÉireann.
Seo an cléir dearna an san strais seo, aniu agus ané. Agus is súlagan gur bhain sibh solt as na scéaltaí agus na cabhní a bhí gahan nanne idir dír thuismóthirí, dír scolarí, tuismóirí tugann aniu agus scolarí tugann aniu. Múintirí agus ahan nanne sa phobal a chuidílinn.
Is mi sé Aisling ní Néil agus is mi se an cé dalta a bhí ann sa scóil I 1996. Tá áthraigh mór inis ag feic an bach agus bhí muid bhí prífab amháin an seo agus bhí múntar seán an 10 múntar ann agus I rinne blianta áthraigh sin, so tháinig múntar fiána agus múntar ré agus just bhí saoil ionach a gin I móhlínta le tá golóir smaointe a gom ag I bhunscoil agus tá siad go léir arás. Rinnemuid slógar, thuig muid go dtí ina siar, rinnemuid thuig muid sús chuig bell ferste ar tuair scoile, bhí muid I gcónaí ag déanamh rudaí sa scóil while ní raibh buildan a gin ní raibh sin 5 mór dún bhí saolínta a gin I Gaelscoil Mhara an seo agus tá sé ionach inis mar is féidir le na daltaí atá sa scoil inis déan an iireacht agus baismínte ionach acu ag dul trí na blianta inis. Bhí mó seanáthair ina county Cabra agus tá mé ó Baile Blanchard, so bhí mise ag teacht ag tomáint síos mháam gach ile maidin go dtí an scoil seo bhí Gaelscoil I Baile Blanchard ach bhí mé ag géirí dul go dtí an scoil seo agus ní raibh mé ag géirí dul éon áit eile, so tá go leor cáirde a gom fós a bhí am óbhlín I Gaelscoil Mhara in 1996 agus tá siad fós I mo grúpa cáirde inis, so like just tá sin arás, gohfuil na cáirde céine a gcuit. Agus tá sin downte muintear seán agus na bands a rinnemer le chéile. So ceapam go mé hunn an ribíon deara go gearra le Jamie ó ní an bheoga agus tá Jamie an duine is sóga sa scoil agus bhí me seo an duine is sin so ba sin an jazz.
Is mis Bobby McGowan agus bhí dalta a Gaelscoil Mhara ó gabhís sé go gabhís srídeag Táim Cabra é Park an Crocaigh nóir bhfuil John Coran rang sé bhí sin an smaoinmh scéir le go ó Gaelscoil Mhara. Nóir am se an seo bhí me gurí fógan neolaithe an scóil go bhí gur an scóil nua fás agus bhí sé ceart go láir ach bhí an scóil nua bhí me gur an scóil nua dhéanamh bhí sin rud ar a Gaelscoil Mhara géirí. Dag me si ceapan gá bhléin an sin tháinig an scóil nua. Bhí déim arm bhí ach teachtar eis chun chuladanna eáil na miúnteirí agus na daltaí á bléint hin so tá si go mála iad eáil scacad. Tá me si scóla chun na gailbh chláiste gomna agus fó mé scoileacht ó Gaelscoil Mhara le dul chuig ina sir ar Néilán Aran le dul chuig scóil so tá mé just le seaáiseach daana agus tá mé ansáasta leis so. Sin just sinna bhí an chuir rá sé.
Bhí sé don choín. Is an spidal a chun na gailbh mé agus tro é cé blian a Gaelscoil Mhara. Well, rinne má cleat a músaireachta an seo coppla blian ó hin, so tá sé andrifaló ó bhí mission seo bhí man seo fe 5-7 an tám sin agus bhí mu fós na prefabs ag an tám a chanis tan scóil bra nó agan agus chuil me go leorúí de faoin scóil fersin rih tháinig meisteach. Bhil híomh aspa spáiste ní rá mór an spásig na páistí bheith sprí am lón nó fiúáin mat gur corpéid chus na mar sinna bhí sé dechar go má sinna ach inis bháin níos mú spásig na páistí. Agus fersin bhí ar híomh an gíomhar agus rudí mar sin ní rá mór an tas sa prefabs agus rudí agus dámach 1-5 electrichas an bhí ar na páistí do bháile mar sin mar dá múlach sé steach leis an isce bach 5 mór ag na prefabs, so bhí sé contartach go má, Siúr si an céad a Gaelscoil Cabrach a bhí an, so tu heappa níidir sé tháinig seán steach leis an scoil, agus bhí sé leis héana ag an an fersin, so ceapan bhí sé ag tastal bhaid nát mar ní rá éon áit eiles nát bhfuil rá ag láirt Gaeilge, so agus fecam bhfuil an Gaeilge ag feabhsú marall ar an scoil, agus feictú beidir níos mú daoine ag láirt tíomh móg an scoil an Gaeilge, agus sin rud má gon tír agus go thomla bhí toig go súsmuid leis an Gaeilge agus bhí mu beidir fól an béle ag an ám agus rud mar sin. Just spás an rud a smúg agus na achhaní tágan inis tá bhaid tá leabharlan agus tá gáirdín hús staire agus tá níos mú spásig na páistí le léomhaíon agus rudí mar sin nuair atá siad críochnaí le na chud ceachtainna, so tá sé ionta chlób agus bhí sé tiltte bhain scoil agus na páistí agus na múntrí mar bhí sé dó an ó níidir na sé ag fannacht agus ag fannacht agus ceapan héon gras an fannacht in Nniumarcha am a chanis tá sé acab agus fós tá sé do fanta rudí bheith críochnaí thart timpach tásúla mí meán fó bhéidir ba gapad críochnaí agus ba sé sásta le céir de tá fácaí acu be. Tá me chéan ceap go mai antáchaí acu mar tá An foran tá sa scoil agus na páistí a tain agus hípal cabracha lug tá an teach an cín híomh teach le chéile agus I bheith I gceannas híomh agus I bheith I ceangas leis an club freisin se an tábhachtá freisin ceappa.
Láir na céis anam dún agus bhí mise I gCailscoil Mhara ó 2006 go dtí 2013. Tá mé ó Cabra. Níor sé chudan is a ceap mé, le ag fécinn siar tá go láir smína agam agus bhí sé go híntaach agus rinne mé card an seo a bhfuil mé fóscard leis aniu agus tá si de scoilna defriúil ach nuair tá tú a scoil mar seo agus rinne tú na rudí a rinne muid agus bhí de clósúgur an bheog agus tá tú déanamh aon rud a bhfuil tú an a bhfuil tú a géir dhéanamh agus tá na múntóirí an Sás the Carrow horse agus múntóir seán bhí gachtain ag gáinní jobbanna aonamh a gá múntóir seán nó péir a bheith aonamh agus tá go láirsmúte agam ach an tainsmín a bhí I gáinní féicim séir nuair bhthú mé féin agus na cholíní go dtí Park an Crocaigh agus bhún agus bhí sé ar chéad an sin mar rang agus bhí sé go híntaach níor móthigh mé an riamh mar sin I mo héal so bhí sé sin go híntaach. Siú mar céadúir just a scoilnú agus feicim difriocht mór. Tá mó dreforcha I rang séanis agus bhí siad sin an seo nóir bhí na prefabs ag dul agus ag teacht feicim difriocht mór inis agus sé sin go híntaach mar cuihannom nóir bhí muidir déanamh Éireann ag fécinn cáil ar scóil agus an próses mór bhí sé seo chun an scoil áil agus tá sé go híntaach breacna sé inis agus féic gra an obair garbhar a rinnemuid go léir tar éis it paid off. So tá sé sin go híntaach le feiceáil.
I think there's a big angle with being in an Irish school and culture in general, whatever that is, the arts, it seems to me, because even the Dina that I was in school with, in Scoil Urcon or Cloistíscon, a lot of them went into artsy things or cultural things. And I think if you have Gaeilge, for me anyway, it gives me an inner confidence that I know I'm Irish or something. I know that sounds stupid, but that I can speak my mother tongue, that I understand what my mother tongue is, that I know what that is. I'm not ignorant to going, oh, what's she saying? Or I know what a name of a place is and I know what that is. And because studies say that if you have a second language, you think a lot more bilaterally. So I think that can only be good for you, because you're always translating what Irish and English is, I suppose, unbeknownst to yourself when you're in school. You're doing the translating in your head, so they say, so then you just think a bit more bilaterally. So I know I'm all for kids learning languages as many as they can when they're little, so that it's easy for them, so it's just second nature. And I think that our Gael schools, that's why Robin's here, is because I think she should know her language and her heritage and everything that goes with that, to have that inner confidence, and for her brain and for development and for going, you know what, I can learn Spanish if I want to, and if I can learn whatever, to go to an Irish school, an extra benefit.
Well, for all the negativity from a practical point of view, we've 240 kids here. We've a waiting list for 5 years, as far as I know. We could build 2 schools. And the next phase we had in our heads was to build some sort of Gaeltacht in the area. The idea we got was from Belfast in the 70s, where in the midst of all the troubles, in the midst of everything that's going on, this group of Gaelgoers got this, I think it's on the Shore Road. So we also had that sort of vision that we could get the kids, the volume, we need to build the volume up. The kids would settle in the area, they would create pods, and over maybe 50 to 100 years we create a Gaeltacht in the city centre. Don't forget, Smithfield was one of the last Gaeltacht areas in the city. It's only down the road. Up to 1900 there was Irish speakers in it, because of the influx of the Irish coming in the 1800s. So there was Gaeltachts in Dublin, there was a lot of Irish spoke in Dublin. So we had that sense of the Dublin and the Irish being, you know what I mean. The big thing with Cabra is that we have 240 kids speaking it. You have 200 families. So that's a massive impact on an area that has about 22,000 people. Whether they use it or not is the other thing. It's a growing process of the language becoming a living language. That's the key. The key from us is not to say, oh, well, we have a Gaelic school, we've 240 kids going. It's not about that. It's about the language, using it as a medium that it can be used for people. It gives people great sense for themselves, and it's an ancient language, but it's a modern language. And it wouldn't be a thing that, oh, you have to be speaking Irish. People want to speak it. It becomes part of the everyday life in the area. It becomes a bilingual area. The people shouldn't be afraid to go into the shops and speak Irish if they want something, speak English. People want to do it. There's no one compulsory. Sometimes you get strong families in areas and they send all their kids and all, but this goes across the whole spectrum of Cabra. The area is in a different change, in the context of change again. And the reason for that is the economics of the area is changing. With the Lewis coming up the side, the price of housing is very high. Like, you're getting a house here, it's costing nearly 300,000 for a 2-bed corporation house, old corporation house. And so it's hard for the younger people who have lived in the area for 6 or 7 generations to get the house. So a lot of them are living in the houses or living at the Paxton and in Hoods. So there's a demographic change. Now with that, that's a good thing in certain ways because it lifts all boats, but it's a bad thing in another sense because it means that people who come in don't know the area, there's no history. So history generally works through generations and through the word of mouth. And that's what I would do. So we have to build a plan, and not the area has to build a plan, that the Irish becomes an integral part, that becomes just a part of the community. As the way you go out for your bread in the morning and you buy and you live, the Irish has to be that living language. And I think Dublin has built so many Gaelic schools, it has platforms now where the language can be grown. If there's someone can get it together and knit it, not in an exclusive way, but there should be an Irish squad from Dublin City. There has to be. You know what I mean? You have that volume of people speaking. They want to speak it. Grandsons go home and they're coming into a different environment. They won't speak it. You have to create the environment. That's the way I would see the progress going. From our own point of view, we have to just keep encouraging it in the school itself.
Ruggo agus tógama a malabag a year huskert hier handel, idir na slétis idir an trai, balabag der weini man alhara, dagma an alharas hanma gabaliclia agus an hiad posta forma mor wuncher non shaw ang ead skolvara, ac nyr wug ma sha an shaw gaji cabra, corf farin na falch Rome, vi na dini goni ga flyhula, vi should goni galanta agus Dynix cyn nedr fi an tu harw corrigiel y bi an tu. Ac yn ysd sgol galn tŵr, ta cyn y bol y tog adr mydynius yn phobl tu am wy agos tes gons o'r tog o hart ar y sgol. Ac yr eist han drochrwyd sy'n ac yn arwyd, mae'r tan sgolig ffes agos ag ffobert agos tan asyn y cartig na pwesgi, da hol y jes ag wynt i wysdi. Ha hain mydjynys coti agos beraj agos matag i haws y rang, ta ches ag wynt. Go fáil nniu an Cabra, Chian, Year, Hushmahari agus Tushmahari ta fós a scáil, agus a rís lóran si da lig, daoine gálanta, daoine bre, fleihiúil iad, crí war, waith, ag hodja smó acu, agus góni sesta cúdiú hort.
It's very hard to encapsulate it. For me, and you know, my wife, we grew up in the area, and the opportunity to send our children to a Gaelic school, and it wasn't just the ethos of the language and the culture. It was, and in fact, there's Sean again. It was teachers like Sean and A. They have brought this huge sense of community engagement, and we linked with communities all over the Ireland. We were up in Meath, we were up in Belfast, we were down in Cork, we were down in Waterford. I was fortunate enough; I got to go on the, I think it was the Mean. There was an exchange, cultural exchange, where Irish students we went to the Basque Country, students went to other countries. It's just so important, and I think if you could retain that ethos and drive it forward, it'd be an amazing school. The other thing is we're very fortunate as well, but the culture is so different, and maybe you should look at Closhta came about 7 years ago. Both my children were fortunate enough they could go straight to Closhta, but the ethos was never the same in Closhta. There was a community engagement, but not at the same level of Gaels Culbara, and that's down to Sean and A particularly.
Paim a fihe blians na Sean Bohain agus Bruin na Nuas agus Sheru Waigi hi shedu shafi bonahan der is a skál. Agus na sin Newton dyn sgol jes ŵr, ac hael myd rydyn ytyr noi, fi se jes yn doi fi'n sian sgol cwosgol che, agus gydjogl yn y twys mahori hart y mas y stia, agus fi cyn dyn ni smog cangl o gwyn lyn y dini, agus lyn y pwesgi.
It's lovely, like it's a culture shock really from the little prefabs, but the kids are loving it. Like, it didn't really bother them anyway, to be honest. Kids don't, they just get on with it. The education, the teachers were just amazing. I don't know how they stuck it out for so long, but they did. It's just, I think it's just the community spirit that's here. It's just like, it'd make you want to come in, you know, like, you'd get teachers that wouldn't want to come into a place, to stay at a place, like, you didn't see it before, obviously, but I don't know. But this is absolutely fabulous, and it's great. They have their big hall, they can do all their stuff. There's people in there now, talking to them all this week. He's had people in from different religions, and it's just amazing. Like, it's always been sought after. There's always been a waiting list to get in to the Irish school. Like, it could have been the other way. There's only one class. It could have been 2 first class, 2 second, 2 thirds, all the way up. But I think it's nice that there's only one. Because like when they started off, like, as you say, 28, 30 kids, and now, like, the size of it now, it's just unreal, you know. And then the amount of parents at the school gates, I'm not used to all that. Like, you have a little tiny group, and now it's like huge. And when you go to the shows and stuff, it's huge. So it is a great advantage in that we have our own halls for doing their drama and their dancing, and sometimes they train in the hall if it's raining or whatever. But apart from that, I think it's a very attractive looking building for people, and they come along and they see Gael Scorbara written on it. It's like amazing. It is. It's like it's happened at last. You know what I mean? The building doesn't, to me, like, the education and the people that were teaching them and the community spirit was more to me than the building. The building doesn't really mean anything to me, but I'm glad we have it for the comfort for the kids, because they, like, never had a hall. They were in and out in the rain and stuff, but it didn't bother the kids. They got a great education. My kids absolutely loved, the older ones loved being here.
Tammy's Arcsus and Fallon Chin, and lad leis an comment Chin Killian character. Vi should lig similar. I suppose Nadine vi should say Cade wrong. Now hug a more ara the mo Indian or find the blenta. Agus an ishta Nadine ag Muna and Clash the Wera. Shig sa bun skull. I suppose an Cade wrong of being show big oid special to Alan Dovey Goni agus Honig and Curtis Modi because an Oscar difficult couple of me when we heard her fehedi agus former green graph than wrong shin agus me fair we should rub emotional agus ta should co-dealers and skull and drown shin so I suppose an Cade wrong but sure ta grog of dahan pasta good treat and skull
Arash gur míle mai go bhlig a jéist den ar gléir slán agus banat levelik.
All we want is a place to teach, 'cause it ain't ideal in these prefab, and I don't think you and your ministers would set your office up right here. Can't you see what you're doing? You're stopping the growth of our country. We've campaigned, marched and fundraised. Now it's time you helped us for a change. And we only got one thing to say.
Tá clár seo muoinethe ón údras Craolachána Héireann.